हाँ जी अब अपने इसको स्टार्ट The petitioners are habitual offenders and their release will spoil the youth by putting them to drugs. Stop. Learned Counsel further contended that application for extension of time should have been filed by the public prosecutor independently without being influenced by the investigating agency. Para. Having heard learned counsel for the parties and in view of grounds mentioned in application, delay of 92 days in filing the revision is condoned. Stop. I attest to the accuracy and authenticity of this document. Stop. The default bail is a right to accused. Para. Per contra, learned state counsel vehemently opposed the connected petitions and contentions. Para. The prosecution filed applications for extension of time within the stipulated period, therefore, it cannot be said at fault. Para. In view of the above conclusion, accused would be on still a weaker ground in canvassing that the report without views of chemical analyst, serologist, ballistic expert, fingerprint expert, etc., would not be complete. Stop. So far as the investigation part of job of investigating officer is concerned, it is complete if he has collected all evidence and facts and he is satisfied that the case deserves to be initiated against accused. Para. It would be at the discretion of the court whether to permit the prosecutor to adduce the evidence. Stop. If the court permits the prosecutor to do so, then a copy thereof shall have to be furnished to the accused. Para. Nothing in this section shall be deemed to apply to a letter, postcard, telegram, or other document or any parcel, etc. Para. The court has also the power under section 311 of the code to permit production of the additional evidence if it is considered in the interest of justice. Stop. However, in the exercise of its discretion, the court has always to balance the interest of the accused. Stop. However, the interest of justice has always to be kept in view, and no prosecution evidence should be shut out which have a vital bearing on the case. Para. It appears that the persons defending on behalf of the state are not updating themselves about the settled position of law. Stop. In the present case, the investigating agency has failed to perform its duty by not following the mandatory provisions of law. Para. There is acute shortage of number of forensic science laboratories in state of Punjab for conducting the test to find out whether the allegedly recovered substance is contraband or not. Stop. The investigating agency as well as the prosecuting agency are aware of the statutory provisions that delay in completing investigation and delay in filing the challan. Para. When the cases are of serious nature, it becomes the duty of the investigating agency to see that the investigating officers are performing their duty with due diligence and are not swayed by other reasons. Stop. The state should ensure that refresher courses are conducted for the public prosecutors as well as the investigating officers so that they may become aware of the latest law on the subject. Stop. State of Punjab appears to have failed in complying with the statutory provisions. Stop. ये था 85 की स्पीड में। तो ठीक है, इसका करना आप लोग ट्रांसक्रिप्शन।